Alright, what's good, y'all, man? Welcome back, man. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, but there is a valid reason for that. So, just a quick little update. If a lot of y'all don't know, but I am in the army right now, so I'm actually just deployed last month, so that's why the uploads have been kind of slowed, and it's probably going to continue for the next couple months because work schedule is just crazy. Like I I damn near miss New York session every day, so it's really just a challenge trying to figure out how to still be able to trade and make money when work is literally stopping me from trading New York session. So it's kind of frustrating, but it's a way around everything. It's always a way out. So we just gonna keep pushing forward. I'm gonna try to get a couple uploads while I'm out here, but no guarantees. It's just the schedule. But let's just get into this video. What this video is actually about is it's a new strategy that I recently implemented, and it's been working out pretty good for me. Shout out to CAFX. You can go look him up on YouTube. That's who I actually learned the strategy from. And this is a pretty easy, simple strategy on NAS100. So let's just, I don't even got nowhere to fucking set the camera up, bruh. But let me see how this look. Yeah, that's cool. So this is just a simple breakout strategy. It's kind of like Mamba FX, if y'all know who that is, but y'all know my main strategy is supply and demand, and that's gonna continue to be my main strategy. But with my schedule and everything and how everything it's working out right now, I'm not really able to sit at the charts and be able to focus, and that's gonna cause me to take bad setups because of FOMO and stuff like that. So when you're not able to just be at the charts when you want to. So I had to learn this strategy because it works, and the other reason is supply and demand on the pairs that I trade. It only works at the best at certain times, and those are the times during New York session when I'm not able to be at the chart. So it's that's really just the main thing that's frustrating for me, but it's whatever. I signed up to be in the army, so I gotta deal with it. But this strategy, it kind of works. It works at other times other than New York session. That's why I like it, and that's why I've been implementing this strategy too in my plan. So yeah, let's just go over it real quick. So this trade that I actually just took this trade earlier. Let me go to, well, I don't even need to go to replay mode, but so if we go to the 4 hour or the 1 hour, my bad, we can see that we're overall bearish on NAS, and this is the main instrument that I use this strategy on. NAS, it works the best. It works with US32, but gold, I kind of just think the supply and demand, gold just works so well with supply and demand. So if we go right here, we see we have this kind of resistance area on NAS that we just broke through, and it turned into support. So, and we're already making higher lows on NAS and showing signs of starting an uptrend. So the breaking of this resistance area and the higher lows is giving me a buy bias already. So if we go to the 15-minute, you can actually see better that this is a strong area of resistance, and we just broke through and came through. So on the I went to the 5-minute, and I'm looking for I'm basically just looking for the next bit of structure that we can break through and take a breakout for a buy. So at that moment, let me go to replay mode. Damn, replay mode. At that moment, that was this high right here. So I had this marked up, and I like to do about a wicks just so I can have the most confirmation that that's the direction that it's going in, because this strategy does fake out a lot. But I just like to mark my breakouts by the wicks. So I'm not even thinking about a sell at this moment. We were already kind of bullish on NAS in New York session, so I'm just gonna look for a breakout for a buy. So there we get our break, and I got in. Literally, I had a buy limit at the line for when it broke, so I got in right there. I had about a 40 pip stop loss, risking 250, and I was really targeting these highs, but I ended up closing with just a 1 or 2 because I wasn't patient enough. So as we see, once it broke this high, price just continues up, and it's really that simple. So it's really that simple with these breakouts. Like, you're just looking at the higher time frame for a sense of direction of where the market could be headed, and you're scaling down to the lower time frame and looking for a structure that we could break out from. So if I didn't have a bias, I would just wait for either to break this low or this high, and it's that simple. So this is really an easy, simple strategy, and I like this strategy. I think this strategy is gonna make me a lot of money. Along with my supply, I already know supply and demand, and I'm good with that. Liquidity grabs, all that, and this is just adding on to my arsenal. So, and you can literally see if I go out of the replay mode, it's just going crazy right now. I should have held, but this is just, I just wanted to go over this strategy real quick. This is an easy, simple strategy. You can go back test it yourself and see that it works. It does get faked out a lot, but you mainly want to be the best time to take this strategy is right at 9:30 open, but obviously I'm not able to be at the charts at that time. Well, I can, but it's hard because I be at work, so I can't just sit at the charts. Like, I just gotta go check my phone real quick, and sometimes it might not break right at the open. But if you see today, you would have had these levels marked up, and you end up getting faked out if you went for a 1 or 2. But this stuff works, man, and like, you could see this stuff works. You just gotta back test and see when is it getting faked out, what is price usually looking like when it's getting faked out, and just see. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. I ain't trying to yap too much, but yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.